Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today we're in Florence, staying at the Bargello bed and breakfast. If you can brave the 77 stairs to come up, it is an absolutely wonderful and welcoming place. Here you have the reception when you're greeted when you come in. And then we go back and you have the rooms here. There are 4 rooms, maybe 5, possibly 6. Some rooms down the hall. Area where breakfast is served. And a common area where you can sit and read, enjoy a coffee, play some cards, or watch some TV. And also, as a public area, is a rooftop terrace. So if we come on up. Let's see if there's anybody out here at the moment. There we go. And look at that. Enjoy some beers, coffee, or just the view. You are just steps away from the Duomo. You can see it over there. And I'll have to look it up as to what this place is. Thank you for watching this quick tour of the public areas in the Bargello bed and breakfast in Florence, Italy. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.